I am in one of Smithtown's most exclusive condo communities today, and I'm so excited to show you this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom condo right here in Smithtown. You want to come take a peek? If you are looking for something private and expansive in Smithtown, the Stonegate community might be the perfect place for you. And if you want more information about 55 plus communities all over Long Island, you can give me a call or shoot me a message with the word buyer. I'll send you my buyer video playbook and we can get started on your strategy. Stonegate is a great complex for people who like privacy and are looking for plenty of storage. One of my absolutely favorite things about this unit is this kitchen. It is brand new. We have marble counters, stainless steel appliances. There is a gas fireplace in here. It is so pretty. Take you guys to the master bedroom next, and it is everything that a new homeowner could possibly want, with nice big windows, a huge closet, and a master bathroom that will make you feel like you're in a spa. Let's go take a peek. All right, friends, so we saw the main floor and we saw the upstairs. Now we are going downstairs. We're going to see the garage. The thing that makes this unit and this complex stand apart from other units is the fact that it has its own dedicated basement. Having access to this amount of storage in a condo is really rare, and it's a great opportunity. If you are looking for information on 55 plus condos on Long Island, you can give me a call or shoot me a DM with the word buyer, and I will get you set up with my buyer video playbook.